All right, the VW Darren pump gasket is installed, and that's the old one. You know, probably had some life left in it, but you know, it's showing its age, I think. But we'll see. Couldn't hurt to replace it. So I think the problem I was experiencing was that port was clogged, had some of that deteriorated gasket material in there. So gonna get this put back together, see what happens. All right, major victory. So, with the new Wowie Kazowie VW Darren synthetic gasket, I don't know what he calls that. It runs great. I think I have to cinch up my screws here, because when this tank shakes, blah, 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 I get gas coming out all over the place, and so. But yeah, nice. It ran fine. Just had a little bit of starting fluid in there to get it going, to prime the little tank. To it gets fuel through the long straw, goes through the pump in the carburetor, and fills up a little reservoir tank up here. And so once all that was primed, it just ran like nothing was wrong, like nothing was ever wrong. All right, so now I need to figure out some kind of line dryer, because the air that comes out of here is just going to be soaking wet. And then, dun, 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 I can DA the crap out of everything. So, wow, I got no excuse now. Holy crap, I'm happy. So, air compressor, you my bitch now. Yep.